Hello, I'm Patrick Kemmis, a founder of Resolver Systems, and I help choose the features that make it into each version of Resolver 1. We've now released version 1.1, and this screencast is an overview of its improvements and new features. We've had plenty of feedback on version 1.0, and it was clear that performance was an issue, so we've done lots of work there for this release. For example, let's compare this recalculation in version 1.0 with the same in version 1.1. Quite an improvement. Apart from performance, several other things have been annoying our users, so we fixed them too. The user code editor now automatically indents when you hit enter after typing a colon, reducing both keystrokes and errors in layout. Cutting cells from one place to another used to just copy the contents and then clear the original cells. This is not really expected behavior for spreadsheets. So now it also updates the formula in all those cells that point to the cut cells to point now to the new location instead. Header rows and columns are extremely useful for referencing cells when iterating over rows or columns, but it was always necessary to code to avoid the header row columns themselves. Not anymore. Use content rows and content cols instead, and header data is now ignored completely. We've also added these useful spreadsheet functions to the number already available. But we've also added some cool new features as well to this release. We've added a new way of formatting things. You may want to format cells so that numbers or text are presented in some special way apart from the number and currency formatting options available. Formatter functions on cells, ranges or worksheets allow you to specify how numbers, text, dates or even lists of objects are displayed. Resolver 1 cells can contain not just simple values or formulae, but more complex structures such as lists or even Python generators. Now these can be unpacked to put each element into a separate cell using the new pack/unpack icon. So this code in a cell becomes this list of cells, each containing one value. Finally, comments on cells are now supported through either the GUI or through user code, making spreadsheets easier to document and use. Cell comments can be seen by hovering the cursor over the cell. Thanks for listening to the improvements and new features of Resolver 1 version 1.1. And as always, please do download it from www.resolversystems.com and give it a spin. Thank you.